Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe and accessible. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults. Next, remove the shift knob and pull the rubber boot up. There are retaining clips and a 10 mm bolt under the boot. Once done, pry the trim around the cup holders and accessory ports using a plastic tool. Work gently to avoid breaking clips. Make sure small parts go into a labeled tray so reassembly is straightforward, and you don't lose screws or clips. After trim is off, locate and remove the mounting bolts. There are bolts under the front storage tray and rear footwell covers. Use a 10 mm socket and extension. Once bolts are out, crawl under the dash to access electrical connectors for seat heaters, power outlets, and USB/aux, depress tabs, and gently separate plugs. Then, lift the console from the rear toward the front. Go slowly because there are hidden clips and wiring harnesses that can bind. If it resists, recheck for missed fasteners. With connectors free, lift the console fully out of the cabin and slide it out through the passenger or driver doorway. Choose the side with more clearance. As you remove it, guide wiring so connectors don't snag. If needed, have an assistant feed harnesses through. Inspect all trim clips and fasteners and replace any broken pieces before reinstalling. If a function fails after reassembly, make sure the battery is reconnected and then recheck each electrical connector. A single loose plug is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.